Hi friends, we've been learning about the circulatory system this week. Before we get started, I want to ask you if you remember what the circulatory system is. Can you describe it? So go ahead, take a minute, turn to, if you have a stuffy nearby or a family member nearby, turn to that person or that stuffy and describe to them what the circulatory system is. There's this important part, right? So our heart is involved. And our heart does what? Yeah, our heart pumps blood throughout our body. Yeah, our heart with every beat is pumping blood through our body. Why does the blood have to travel through our body? Yeah, the blood is bringing oxygen and nutrients to all the different parts of our body. And it gets oxygen from, do you remember where it gets oxygen? From the lungs. And then it goes to the heart and it gets pumped all throughout our body. So that's the circulatory system. So the heart, and then we have blood vessels, and there's two different kinds. Remember the two kinds? Veins and arteries, right? And so veins carry blood to the heart. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Okay, friends, I'm going to share a book with you. And so we know that the heart is part of the circulatory system, and the lungs are also so important because they are the part that oxygenates the blood. So let's read this book together. This book is called The Heart and Lungs, and we'll read the part about the heart this week, and we'll check in on the part about the lungs next week. Okay, here we go. A busy place. The world is a busy place. People work, play, and go, go, go. Over here and over there. Something is always happening. The outside world is very busy, but there is another busy world, one that you cannot see. Inside of you, under your skin, your body never stops going. Blood goes through your body. Air goes in and out. Yes, your inside world is very busy too. In the middle of all this activity, resting snugly inside your chest, are your heart and lungs. They are an important team. They work together every moment of every day to send your body the oxygen and nutrition it needs. They take good care of you, so you must be sure to take good care of them. And then you can look at this picture and see here's where the heart is, and then see the lungs. These are the lungs. Here's a picture of a real heart. Interesting. How the heart and how it works. Your heart is in your chest between your lungs and just left of the center. It is about the size of a closed fist. We knew that. People sometimes think a heart is the shape of a valentine. A real heart looks nothing like that. Your heart pumps blood through your body. Blood brings oxygen to your body's cells. Living things need oxygen or they will die. Once your cells receive the oxygen, the blood returns to your heart to get more. Then your blood is pumped out again, in and out, in and out. That is how your heart pumps your blood. And then up here, it says blood travels from your heart to all parts of your body through your arteries. Remember, arteries carry it away from the heart. Blood returns to your heart through your veins. Place your hand over your heart. Do you feel something? It is your heartbeat. Your heart beats as it pumps the blood. Your heart beats in a pattern of 2. If you heard the sound of your heartbeat, the first beat would sound dull and the second beat would sound sharp. It would sound like this: thump, 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 thump. Did you know that your heart beats about 100,000 times a day? It just keeps beating on its own. You do not have to think about it to make it happen. That's right? Involuntary movement. It is impossible to place your ear against your chest to hear your heartbeat. So you can use a stethoscope. That's this thing in the picture here that the doctor has. A stethoscope is a special instrument with 2 earpieces connected to a long tube and a flat piece at the end. If the flat piece is held against your chest and the earpieces are placed in your ears, you can hear your heartbeat very closely. How does your heart work? Look at the diagram. Blood enters your heart from your lungs. Your heart pumps the blood into your arteries. Once the oxygen is delivered, your veins carry the blood back to your heart. Then out the blood goes into your lungs for a fresh supply of oxygen. And this says here, your heart is like a pump that moves blood through your body every second of every day. This is called circulation, because circulate means to like go around, and the blood goes around and circulates through, moves through your body. What happens if the heart becomes sick? A body cannot work well with a sick heart. You must take care of your heart to keep your whole body strong. Okay, and that's the last page we'll read today. Okay, so that's a little bit about the heart and how it works. Now let's look at our diagram of the heart and let's color that. So I'm going to switch over to showing you my heart diagram. There you go. Okay. And so there's different parts of the heart, and actually the heart has 4 different chambers to it, but this picture isn't as detailed as that, but it's showing you the different veins and arteries that are either bringing blood, the arteries are bringing blood back to, the arteries are bringing blood away from the heart, the veins are bringing blood back to the heart. So let's read what it says on here. It says, veins carry blood back to the heart. Color the areas that are numbered 2 blue. So we're going to represent the veins that are everything you see that's number 2, we're going to color in blue. Okay, so anything. Anything with a number 2, we'll color in blue. And these are veins bringing blood back to the heart. Okay, let's see. Are there any other number 2s that you see? I don't see any more 2s. Okay, so go ahead and finish coloring up your 2s blue. If you need more time, you're going to need to pause me to go ahead and do that. And then it says, arteries carry blood away from the heart. Color the areas that are numbered 1 red. So then we'll find our arteries, the number 1s, and we'll color those red. Okay. These red. So basically, after you color the blue parts, you're going to color the rest of your heart in red. And I won't make you watch me color my whole heart in red, but you can go ahead and do yours, and I'll just do a little bit more here, and then I'll save the big part to do afterwards. Okay, so, and you're also going to color this because it has a number 1. So anything with a number 1, you'll color in red. And remember, veins are carrying blood back to your heart, right? And those are the blue parts, carrying blood back to your heart. And the red parts are carrying blood away from your heart, out to the different parts of your body. Okay, everyone, so go ahead and finish this up. Okay, finish this up and then think about who you can share this with. Show somebody your diagram of the heart. And today I want you to tell them the difference between veins and arteries. Okay, so veins carry blood back to the heart. Arteries carry the blood out to the body. Okay, so your job is to finish coloring your heart and then share with someone, teach someone about veins and arteries. Okay, work hard. See you later.